Hello guys, today I'm showing how to remove noise and remove background in Audacity song. So first open Audacity, but before you proceed guys, subscribe to our channel. Open your MP3 file with this and select your MP3 with, file with Ctrl A and head over to effects and special and click on silence isolation. Choose these parameters as when you like, 24% for example and 0.5. Select silence and audio isolation and click on apply, and you can just for this and this if it is helped, but you can adjust these parameters if we don't find your optimal result. So this is pretty much it guys. If you found this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave